Hi guys, welcome to Scodeen Global. Do you know a techno-functional business analyst is the nucleus in business model? Let's see the diagram. There are four areas a techno-functional business analyst has to actively involve. First one is elaboration. This is the creative process of a project, translation of customer requirements and delivery to engineering team. Number two is solutions/designs. In this phase, the business analyst clarifies and elaborates on designs before the build. Before the start of development and throughout the project, a business analyst revalidates designs and estimation. Next one is development. In this phase, a business analyst monitors progress and ensures that the development meets or exceeds the business and technological milestones. Next one is maintenance. In this phase, consumer feedback provides data for necessary changes and improvements to be implemented. Reserve your seats for Scodeen Global's Techno-Functional Business Analyst program now. Thank you so much for watching.